Here's a 2015 Lexus GS 350. Its luxury and aggression will dominate your senses. This GS 350 is performance art at maximum speed. It comes with all the amenities you need: external memory control, front heated leather sports seats, power tilt-down heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, voice activation, dual zone climate control, adaptive suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Automobile raves. Step into the GS 350 and every surface you lay your hand on is made of a high quality or soft touch material. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. Take it for a test drive today.
At Tustin Lexus, we'll do everything we can to help you drive away in the vehicle that's just right for you. Tustin Lexus, conveniently located at 45 Auto Center Drive in Tustin, California.